What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm bringing the POV videos back. It's been a very long time since I brought a POV video, probably around a year or two. Right now we're heading to a little gathering. We're just gonna put some gas real quick. I haven't filled up in a while. Don't mind the jumpy idle. It's a big throttle body, big cams. Gets a little rowdy, but we're still on the pump gas tune. Max out on all the power we can get. Pump 93. Boy, it feels good. Let's go ahead and put some gas. Good, good, good. How are you?
Good, just came to see the car. So you like pull in, I was like, oh, just hanging out, man.
Dope.
My BMW's over there. I need to fix the bumper now.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
What's up?
That power manual action.
Oh yeah, you know, got a POV video going.
Yeah, I thought it looked like a doctor.
You look like a doctor?
Yeah.
I need a little light on it. That'd be even better for nighttime.
In person, it looks super clean, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys, and everything. Thank you.
This is the DC4 RS, right? Australian body style?
Well, it's a US model, and then it's converted to right-hand drive.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's like the Japanese style.
Right.
The European one, I think they come with circle lights, and then they have like
Yeah, the one
fog
I
lights.
have a DC4 with the circle lights.
Yeah, see, I like that one. I'm a big fan of the US ones.
Because this is like the Accord style.
I guess, yeah, it kind of look like it, yeah.
You remember when CD5s and everybody was getting the
Remember those? Header.
Okay, so mine's not the only one that does that.
I gotta coat it.
We've got the header right through the...
Yeah, I gotta coat that thing. At least ceramic, because the header, like,
At the very least. Don't include that in the video either.
no, I probably will.
So
Nah.
the V20 swap's a direct connect. How hard is it to case swap a Integra? Like
Well,
harness-wise?
now current day is super easy now.
Is it?
They make like like the harness becomes plug and play. The mounts would just be like shave yours off and then put the new one on.
Because I saw they make a plug and play S2K. There's actually a company that makes S2K clusters and they'll just plug and play.
Yeah, the clusters are easy too.
'Cause I'm new to the whole Integra game. So
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
So what motor are you having it now?
B20B. I wanted to not like, so my needle doesn't go to the middle.
What
but,
needle?
I can't think of it. The 10th, yeah. But yet if you put your hand on my hood, you'll melt your hand.
So you're gonna go all-wheel drive? What's that?
Yeah, right. If I was turbo, I think the power would actually help me. I think right now, at this power range, if I'm all-wheel drive, I'll probably just maybe get a good launch. No idea.
What are you, like 3200s right now?
I'm like 310 pump gas.
Oh, sick.
So it's not bad. It's like street, yeah, it's like street now. Like, if I was to throw race fuel in it, I'll probably cough up a little bit more power, but
You made it sound like it wasn't moving at all.
yeah.
Oh, this power that I'm at.
Because it's like nowadays people are making 500 on all motors, like
Yeah.
oh crap. But you know, the compression and all the cams, you can't even street drive it. This one's more like you could drive it.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing, and I'm trying to figure out is how to like get a bit of power without having to run turbo and to still be able to street the car, because I don't want to go track status, but I would like to have some fun, you know?
Nitrous stance.
I'm not.
That's this guy. This guy races, drifts, he does everything.
I don't want the bottle. I'll explode.
This thing is so nice.
I've been wanting to see them press.
Marks on every bolt and everything.
So
Estas luces están nuevas.
it was hard to find. It was a long wait. You know how patient I was? Love bugs are everywhere here.
They're disgusting.
I don't get anything over there. Jesus, Popeye. Hi. That's so nice.
Eso me salió de corazón. Eso es súper.
Dude, you were fast. I didn't even see it. They're like, I saw it when it passed the trailer, but that is what they call it. Yeah. It's not.
There you go, you can yell it now.
What?
The supers are there. Now you can yell it.
I can say it.
Yeah.
That just came out of nowhere.
Tupo! Oh, the real one. I mean, oh. Oh man. What time just started, or is it even in the morning? Holy crap, I'm late.
I was
Wow.
like, I didn't even know you would come over here.
Me neither.
Wow, so you just decided to show up.
Yeah, I have a problem with the car still. Like the camber kit is hitting on my engine bay, rubbing. I'll like, you know what, I'll take it. I like the color on this one, matte. That looks good like that.
And then here today.
Still shiny, still shiny. Does it look like you went drifting?
Stickers on it. Like even the one that's perfect for it.
It's flashy, but it still means something.
Yeah. How long time in case I have to do?
Look at that. Bro, touching.
Still insulated, it's all good. They're not touching.
Okay, they're not. Thank you. $1 or two? $1? Thank you. Hi. Sorry. Yeah. Have a great day. Thank you.
It takes forever.
Because it doesn't fucking breathe or hold.
Stop swearing. It's going on YouTube, man. Damn, I'm getting copyrighted because of you guys.
Oh, monetized. Sup?
Turns like every 2 words.
Every time his boy.